captioning and other consideration for 2.5 men provided by...
Shrink a full dress size? I wish. Shrink my wrinkles? Easy. Anti-wrinkle concentrate.
Daily Lightweight Serum doesn't just smooth wrinkles, it actually shrinks them 26%. Powerful ingredients, pro-retinoid and pro-elastone. It's clinically proven to shrink the length and width of wrinkles.
People ask if I've had work done. Does Revitalac count?
Shrink your wrinkles with new
I
Revitalac
can't see where we're filming, but...
by L'Oreal Skincare.
And where's Did you know your body doesn't digest food? In your poop. You're going to teach you guys. Nope, it's the power of observation.
Jake, dinner conversation.
You're right, it's dinner conversation. See what happens when you don't get your kids.
Something smells good.
Meatloaf.
You should mix some. I'll give you the recipe. You didn't make enough for me? Not your shot. Is that so? How did you cook the meatloaf? My. What's your point? My point?
Oh, don't put me in the middle.
My point is, I'm hungry and I want meatloaf. Yeah, well, I'm Alan and I want respect. I think I got a better chance of getting meatloaf. You know, I'm starting to feel like maybe Jake and I have overstayed our welcome. No, Jake's still welcome. You're the one with the attitude. My attitude didn't come for Jabberwocky. Jibber jabber, you moron. Okay. That settles it. I think it's time we move. Yeah, we.
But I'm still welcome.